Si quieres saca el hacha para que vea el agua.
From underneath the earth, it's heating up water.
Come on. Are you sleepy? Don't you get sleepy? Come on. Don't you get sleepy?
A ver, míralo. Naya, espérate.
I just found next.
Not totally hiding there.